Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must verify ownership before proceeding. Gather purchase receipt, IMEI, and the Google account credentials tied to the phone. Once done, charge the Infinix Hot 12 above 50% to prevent shutdown during recovery. Make sure you have Wi-Fi details nearby if account recovery needs internet. I won't guide bypass techniques. Instead, you'll follow supported recovery paths that protect data and respect device security. Start with Google's Find My Device. Sign in with the linked account and see if the phone appears. You can lock or erase it remotely if you own it. If you cannot access the account, use Google account recovery steps to regain control. Once attempts fail, contact Infinix support or an authorized service center. Provide IMEI and purchase proof so they can guide a legitimate factory reset or repair. These routes preserve legality and device integrity. If recovery via your account fails, an authorized Infinix center can perform a factory reset or firmware reflash after confirming ownership. This will erase local data, so ensure any cloud backups are intact first. Once they proceed, follow their instructions and obtain a receipt for the service. If you hit delays, keep documentation handy and follow up persistently. Troubleshooting tip: if the service requests additional proof, provide serial IMEI and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.